Hey, Greg Spindler here. Are you having problems with your business? Are you having problems with getting people out of complaints of pain of all sorts? Are you having problems with not getting performance gains out of your clients, meaning getting your athletes to be performing better? You know, there's something very common in the human body. We all know we have the heart over here on the left side. We also have, one lung capacity different on the left and right. We also know we have a heavy organ on the right called our liver. We've got all those common things, and we know that. But we also know that the body doesn't really hold itself so like an anatomy picture. We have what we call a natural phenomenon in the human body, and that's this torsion. If you stand up 10 of your clients, I guarantee you're going to see 80% of them are going to have a look like this. And that's right. It's so common. And if we know that as therapists, we can actually change things very quickly for them to get them out of back pain, neck issues, shoulder complaints, knee issues, ankle issues, foot issues. If we know this torsion's there and we follow along a simple protocol, then we can get people out of those pain complaints very, very quickly. And when you do that, guess what? Your success of your bodywork practice goes up tremendously, really skyrockets, and you'll be able to charge the amount of money that you deserve. Plus, you'll be able to be recession proof. When you're able to get people out of pain quickly, you're going to be the go-to person for your area. So please, you might need to change a little bit in your philosophy. What I had to learn 25 years ago was I had to come out of my sports massage and stretching techniques to get people out of their pain complaint. But I wasn't very successful until I understood that this situation is in 80% of the population. And if you can get 80% of your clients out of pain, that's a pretty good darn success rate. All right, I have 4 classes, just 4 classes that can change your practice, change your outcomes, make you very, very successful for your area. And it's at csbworkshops.com. You'll see our schedule of classes this year. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.